telling your insurance provider that you live at a different address, or failing to update your details if you move, can cause your policy to be invalid. Even if you only drive to the train station a couple of times each week, this can still count as a commute. It's vital that you inform your insurer if you use your vehicle for commuting. You don't only need to inform your insurer about performance-enhancing changes to your car. Failing to report things like tinting your windows or upgrading your wheels can invalidate your policy. Sometimes it's cheaper to pay for minor damage to your car yourself, rather than contacting your insurance company. However, failing to report any damage or accident, no matter how small, is a breach of your policy. Young drivers can add an older or more experienced driver to their policy to reduce their premium. In some cases it can be tempting to declare the older motorist as the main driver, when in fact the younger driver is. This is known as fronting and is illegal. If your mileage significantly exceeds the amount that you've estimated to your insurer, they could decide not to pay out any potential claims and invalidate your policy. The Highway Code states that drivers must properly secure their pets so that they cannot distract you, or injure you or themselves if you stop suddenly. If your pets are not properly restrained, then you are breaking the law and could invalidate your insurance. If you're letting somebody else drive your car, be certain that their insurance policy is fully comprehensive and covers them to drive other vehicles. Lending your car to somebody who is not properly insured incurs an average fine of £271 and 6 penalty points. Your car can also be seized on the spot. Your job title is one of the most important factors that insurance companies consider when calculating your premium. Even small differences between jobs matter. For example, a music teacher could pay more than a maths teacher. Some car insurance policies allow you to take money to cover petrol when giving lifts or taking a colleague to work. However, if you make profit by car sharing or giving someone a lift, then you're essentially operating a taxi service which can void your policy.